Welcome, I'm Ashley Haken with SWWC. Today we are going to look at whiteboarding with your class. Today, if you want to do this, you can click on Create a Design and click on Whiteboards. There are a lot of pre-done design for whiteboards. You can use one of the pre-done templates. You're welcome to always create your own, but today we're going to look at some of the pre-done ones. When you click on some of the brainstorming ones, you can see some of the options. Since I'm doing a class one, I might want to do something similar to this where I want kids to all be able to add to the same board. Notice on the whiteboard that I can click and move everything around. I probably don't want students to be able to click and move everything when they all have this shared with them. So I am going to click on the features I don't want them to be able to manipulate, and I am going to click this lock feature so that they cannot go around clicking and moving all these features. This will help save a lot of headache later down the road. One way to share with your students is to click Share. Click anyone with the link, make sure they have editable access, copy link, and post this link to your LMS. A second way to share is directly through Canva. Click Share, type in your Canva class, make sure they have editable rights, and then click Share. Your students will access this through Canva, which may or may not be linked through your LMS. Each student will have access to the various features. Within here, anything you didn't lock is movable. Students can use these sticky notes, type in their responses, students then have the ability to add their name in by clicking the three dots, click Add Your Name, and then they can click the response of the sticky note and drag it to the appropriate box. Now that you've done that, you have the ability to continue to add more features. Maybe you need more sticky notes. You can click, drag, add more sticky notes to your board. You have the ability to change the colors of these sticky notes to solid colors or gradient colors. Perhaps you've decided you want to use some other features such as like other graphics. Those could be drag and dropped to the whiteboard. And one thing that's not shown is that as your students participate on this board, their names will dance around. So you'll be able to see where they are on the board to see how they are interacting on the board. And notice as they are on here, they cannot move those features that you locked earlier, so they cannot mess up the actual board itself. Only the features that you want them to interact with. Happy whiteboarding and collaborating with your class.